Welcome to Blackboard at Southern Crescent Technical College. You can find the link to your Blackboard classes by clicking on the Adult Education tab on the Southern Crescent website. Scroll down the page to find the Blackboard Login button. This is the Blackboard Login screen. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the letters TCSG in the top left corner. The first time that you use Blackboard, you will need to set up a password for yourself by clicking on the Forgot Your Password button. In the username option, enter your first name, your last name, and the username you were issued by Southern Crescent Technical College. This username should be a 9-digit number starting with the numbers 900. Once you have entered this information, click Submit at the bottom of the screen. Do not complete the email address options section. Once you've submitted the password form, you will receive an email with instructions on how to set up a password for your Blackboard account. Once you have created your Blackboard password, enter your username and your password into the login screen. When you have logged into Blackboard, you will see a list of your courses on the left-hand side of the screen. The names of each course contain the time of the class, the subject of the class, and the TABE level of the post-test for students in that class. You may be enrolled in multiple classes in the same subject or held at the same time of day. You have the option of attending any of the virtual classes in which you are enrolled, as well as completing any of the assignments. If you are enrolled in more than one class in the same subject, you should not complete assignments in both of the classes. Just choose one of the classes and complete the assignments there. However, you could attend the virtual class sessions for both classes. If you have classes that meet at the same time of day, you can choose which class to attend virtually in any given week. Clicking on the name of the class will take you into the classroom itself so you can see all of the options available to you. Each class has a menu of options on the left-hand side of the screen. These options include announcements, assignments, a virtual classroom, a discussion board, and instructions for contacting your instructor. In the Announcements tab, your instructor may post announcements for the entire class, such as upcoming holidays. In the Start Here section, you'll find instructions for navigating Blackboard, including the tutorial video. In the My Assignments section, you'll find assignments designed specifically for the subject and level of your TABE post-test. In Collaborate, you can join your virtual classroom with other students who are studying the same subject and level that you are. In the discussion board, your instructor may post questions or extra homework assignments for you and your classmates to complete. Your instructor may assign grades to some of your completed assignments, and you may find those grades listed in the My Grades section. In the Contact My Instructor section, you will find contact information for your instructor, such as an email address, phone number, and office hours. In the My Assignments section, you will find each TABE level broken down into its domains. You can also find these domains listed on your TABE test scores. Your instructor can help you identify domains in which you may need extra practice. Clicking on a domain opens skills related to that domain. Each skill contains assignments, such as videos, worksheets, online assignments, and other activities to help you master each skill. When you click on Collaborate to join your virtual classroom, you will see two options listed. The first is a course room, which is usually locked. This course room is where your instructor may host office hours. You will not be able to enter the course room unless it is unlocked. The second option will be your actual class sessions. The folder contains multiple sessions. When you click on the folder, the sessions will appear below. Always click on the first session, as they are arranged by date. You will know when the session is available because instead of the words "Not started yet," it will say "In progress." When you click on the session, a menu will appear to the right of your screen with the option to Join Session. When you click to join a session, you may see messages like this appear on your screen. Blackboard needs to access your camera and microphone in order to function properly, so always click Allow. Blackboard will also ask you to perform an audio test. If you can see the purple bar moving, your audio is working. So you should select Yes, audio is working. When you click to join a Collaborate session, you may see messages like the one on the screen asking to share your microphone and camera. Click Allow on those messages so the Blackboard can use your microphone and camera to enhance your classroom experience. Now that you are in the classroom, you will see several options at the bottom of the screen. This button will allow you to mute and unmute your microphone. It's a good idea to stay muted during class so as not to disturb the instructor or other students with background noise. However, if you have a question or wish to answer a question, you can unmute yourself during class. This button allows you to share or not share your video camera feed. If you find that your connection is slow or that things on the screen do not appear as the instructor is describing, turning off your video can sometimes improve your classroom experience. This button allows you to raise your hand virtually. Your instructor will be notified that you raised your hand, and they will be able to answer your questions if you have any. You can also unraise your hand by clicking the button a second time. The purple arrows at the far right of the screen open a panel that allows you to see other options for the session. The first is a chat, where you can chat with everyone in the session or with your instructor by chatting with just a moderator. You can also see a list of attendees by clicking the button showing the people. The list of attendees will include yourself, your instructor, and the other students who are in the class session with you. The button at the far right is the Settings button that allows you to change the settings of your audio, your video, or other things that may occur on Blackboard. You can also hide this menu by clicking the purple X and closing the menu out. When your class is over, make sure to close out the Collaborate screen. If you are using a cell phone or tablet to attend classes, you can download the app in the App Store or the Google Play Store called Blackboard. When you download this app, make sure that you use the school name Adult Ed Go. This will be all one word. Then you input your username and your password and navigate the menu to find your class. If you have any questions or need any assistance navigating the Blackboard system, contact your instructor for more information.